The next book is about animals. Many people in our family are animal lovers. I think it comes naturally because Pop and I both love animals. Maybe I love them a little bit more, but we both love animals. This book is extra fun because I'm going to give you a little time to think before I give you the answer. So here we go. Lift the flap, animals. Do you see all the animals on the front? You get to see them inside the book. The first part of the book says birds. Here is a goose, and here is a penguin. Here is an owl, and it says owls fly during the, think for a minute, during the night. Owls fly during the night. An owl's large eyes help it see at night. Eagles can fly high in the, what do you think? Eagles can fly high in the sky. You were right. Eagles can fly high in the sky. Ducks love to swim in, yes, water. Ducks like to swim in water. Oh my goodness. This is an emu. They are large birds, but cannot fly. Here's a canary. Chicks hatch from, y'all are so smart, eggs. Ooh, giant animals. Elephants, aren't they beautiful? Ooh, I love them. Elephants have large ears and a long trunk. Your Aunt Wawa and your Lolly both love elephants. Giraffes stand tall on their long, not neck. Giraffes stand tall on their long legs. Here's a bear. What's behind here? Which large animal has horns on its nose? I know. It's a rhinoceros. Here is a boa constrictor. It will squeeze you. And here is a hippopotamus. And it says, hippopotamus's mouth open very wide. Wow. Baby animals. Here are some ducklings. Here's a lioness and a lion cub. Here's a cow and a calf. After her nap, the kitten has energy to, what would you do after a nap? Play. That kitty is playing. Here is a sea pup. Here is a puppy, and it says this puppy will help blind people by growing up to be a guide dog. That puppy helps blind people. Wonder if you're going to know this one. Tadpoles are baby. Tadpoles are baby. Do you know this one? Frogs. Tadpoles are baby frogs. Here are some water lovers. Animals that love water. Here's an octopus, a sea lion, and a whale. To help them swim, alligators have very long tails. Here's a water lover. It's a turtle. These are both reptiles. Which water lover has 5 arms? I bet you know. A starfish has 5 arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 arms. Fish come in many bright colors. Creepy crawlers. Creepy crawlies. How many flies can you count? Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 flies. Ew. Which small insect digs a nest? This one's kind of hard. The insect that digs a nest is an ant. Here's a beetle. Here's a grasshopper. Here's a millipede. What spins a web? Y'all are such smart kids. You're right. A spider. What animal lives in its shell? A snail lives in its shell. Ooh, cold animals. These are penguins. You guys don't know your grandmother Imogene, but she really liked penguins. It says these animals live in cold places like the North and South Poles. That's where penguins live. Walruses, these are walruses, have very long tusks. Look how long those are. Very long. Polar bears live on land and can also swim in the sea. An albatross's wingspan is very wide. Wow. This is our last page. Spots and stripes. This is a lizard right here. These are Dalmatian puppies. Look at their spots. Which of these animals has spots? That's easy. That's the Dalmatian. This one has stripes. Which animal with a white stripe can smell bad? This one is easy. It's a skunk. Your grandpa Sonny called me Skunk. That was my nickname, Skunk, because he said I was a stinker. This is a leopard, and he has spots. This says some fish have spots, and some have, we know what we have going to say, stripes. Spots and stripes. This is a snake. Pops hates snakes. And this is a tiger. Tigers have orange stripes. What animals have black and white stripes? Let's think. What animals have black and white stripes? You guys are so good. You're right. Zebras. This was a fun book. I do love animals. Skunks are my favorite. I also like peacocks. Puppies, cats, horses, chickens. Oh my goodness. And Uncle Sean or BB really wants a monkey. So does Lolly. Love you.